guys, I'm here with Myfirstwig. Open the box and I have the drawstring bag here, okay, which we're gonna get into. I got like a goodie pouch. This booklet also came inside. Basically it speaks about deals and stuff, and you know, how to install your wig. It's a very informative booklet, you know, how to care for your wig, all that good stuff. This is also branded, okay. It has two of these clips here, and they're great for sectioning your hair, like, you know, when you're styling it. Then I also got this branded rat tail comb. It says Myfirstwig. Now let's get into the bag. And then I also got a pair of wig caps. Okay, today's wig, guys, this is what we're working with. It's a beautiful glueless wig. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for this because it's also a straight texture, as you can see. Now what's so special about today's wig is that this is a pre-everything glueless lace wig. So pre-everything meaning it's already pre-plucked, it's already pre-plucked, it's already pre-cut. As you can see, you don't have to cut the lace. It's pre-bleached and tinted. This is also a 13x6 lace front, but it's mostly 13x6 in the mid portion. On the sides it's not deep, okay. Also, I need you guys to know this is a glueless wig. Myfirstwig always carried great glueless wigs, so that's another plus. And inside they made sure to attach their elastic band. It's adjustable. As you can see, it has the hooks on it, so you can make it as loose or tight as you want. And then there are also a total of 3 combs. There are a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap. It's a medium cap, by the way. You don't have to worry about doing anything in terms of customization yourself. The quality of the hair is very smooth and soft. I absolutely love that. And this is 16 inches long, if you guys are wondering, by the way. 16 inches long, and it's 130% in density, so it's really not heavy. It's very lightweight, all right, but it's giving a supernatural vibe, like very natural. I also must tell you guys, this is a HD Swiss lace front, all right, which is, in my opinion, the best kind of lace to have, and it's a natural color here. So, you know, 3 major things. It's pre-everything, basically. You could slip this on and go. It's glueless, and the hair is silky and soft. Like, what more could you ask for? Perfect for my beginners. Yeah, so now that we got through that, let me go ahead and do this very quick and easy install. Everything looks really nice and undetectable. So usually for the sides, when it comes on to this classic make of a 13x6 glueless wig, what I do is take some of my spray, and you guys know that thing that I always do. I just basically spray down the sides with just a tad bit of my spray, just to keep it in place, because I don't want it to be flabbing, you know. And yeah, really to the point, it's little to no experience needed, like, honestly. So the only thing I really need to do is cut off a little bit of the excess around the ear portion, because it's not fitting. It's a little bit, just a tad bit, that I need to take off. That's sitting way better. that's it for all the adhesive that I'm going to apply. Listen, the wig looks amazing and it feels so good. That was too easy. I love the length. I feel like this length is perfect for the people who don't want anything too like over the top. Like you just want that minimalistic natural kind of vibe going. Yeah, I think it would be perfect for a beginner too, because I find that most of the times when somebody isn't used to wearing a wig or wearing wigs overall, their first wig, they don't necessarily want it to look like too much, if you get what I mean. They want it to be as natural looking as possible. I feel like this is it. Like the color of the hair, the length, the density, everything is just like, okay, yeah, it's just so minimalistic. And I actually love that. I actually love that. So what I'm gonna do, super easy, so to the point, I'm gonna do is go in and perfect this center part, right? And be sure, you know, you could part this anywhere within, you know, the deep parting areas, so you could get a nice deep side part. And you know there's nothing better than a nice 13 by 6. But yeah, that is gorgeous. And because it's already pre-bleached and tinted, the lace looks like scalp, okay? It's just perfect. Before I go ahead and, you know, just run through this with my flat iron. What? You can't tell me this is not coming from my scalp. You cannot tell me anything. Like, how natural is this looking? Yeah, man. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little minimalistic powdered glam, something very light. It's gonna look so natural when I come back. And some gloss. Give me a second, but this is it. Ooh, now you cannot tell me this isn't a 10. Like, super realistic. I love the cut, everything super realistic. Look at that, look at that. No baby hairs needed. Absolutely no baby hairs needed. Like, what? Yeah, man, it is top tier. top tier. It doesn't even feel like anything is on my head. Like there isn't a lot of tension. It doesn't look wiggy. It doesn't feel wiggy. Like it feels like it's mine. Isn't that what you want? My first wig. You did what needed to be done, and I appreciate that. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, guys. So if you're interested in getting this for yourself or somebody else, go ahead and check the link down below. It's the first link in my description box. All the specifications will be listed down below, so you can double check that, and any deals available will also be listed. Shout out to My First Wig for today's wig look. They did their thing. Like they completely get it. The hair is full. It's not heavy, but it's full at the same time. Like don't get it twisted. Not because it's not like, you know, 250% doesn't mean that it is thin. It's still full. You know, it's not sparse or anything. So I love that. It is a 10. The hairline, everything looks so good. I'm beyond pleased. The lace is very undetectable. I didn't have to do anything to further try to blend it in. Nothing at all. There's absolutely no product on it. So I am 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Okay, that's all you need to know. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.